AI is taking over the world. Now the question still remains, will AI ever replace designers? AI softwares have replaced a lot of things. Accounting, record keeping, data analysis, security. Now I'm dividing this video into two very important parts. Number one is me speaking to you guys about what I feel or I believe is the path of AI in design. The second part are some really cool new tools that I've discovered powered by AI. Yes, these tools will upgrade your designs, help you select better fonts, colors, improve your UI design skills, do UX research, and even build actual coded products without you even lifting a finger. Alright, so let's talk about AI for a minute. In the comments, I want to know your opinion on what you feel AI is. Is it dangerous for society? Is it something that will help us in the long run a lot? Is it something that we have control on? Or is it something that it could go out of control and create this iRobot kind of environment where robots kind of take over the world? In my opinion, design is something that can never be replaced by AI. Design functions, on the other hand, can be. Now, for example, there are certain tools that I use personally to create color palettes based on certain requirements in data. And these color palettes work very well with the brand or the synergy of the company. Companies which have the money, time, and resources to actually carry out research for things like colors, fonts, etc. will keep on investing in this area no matter how advanced AI gets. Oftentimes, even with AI, you need to figure out whether something is correct or not based on your own knowledge and information. Human intervention will never go away where AI is concerned. The day it goes away, well, we're all on a positive note, AI actually helps in saving a lot of time. AI helps you to find images faster. There are certain AI tools which help you create graphics quickly. So even if your team or you don't know anything about graphic design, you can create graphics without knowing graphic design. AI also reduces the learning curve in a lot of things. It helps you understand certain concepts better. There are tools which will erase your background from any image. That is a feature that Photoshop had worked on for so many years when I started design. But with these specialized tools, I don't need Photoshop anymore to keep on doing that removing background feature. Now, AI has also given rise to a lot of new forms of art and business. People have found a new form of art based on AI tools, and it kind of drives me crazy, but at the same time, I really appreciated being an artist, being someone who designs, being an entrepreneur. I really appreciate that. So as long as people keep on using AI and AI-based tools to shorten learning curves, to shorten any form of tedious tasks which people have to do regardless of their skills, we are in safe hands. And as long as certain trustworthy companies have control on these AIs, we don't have anything to worry about. And at the same time, humans can talk, humans can communicate, humans can smile, humans can laugh, humans can fight. More or less cannot be replicated by AI. At least till now. Now let's move on to the next segment where we look at some amazing AI tools that I found just recently released and are really cool to use. Do give them a try. So the first tool in my exploration was uizer.io. I created a video on this last year, so if you want to see how you can convert wireframes into final designs with AI, well, I'll have a link to that in the description. Make sure you check it out after watching this video. Now they've added a bunch of new tools and features to this. The first one being, of course, you just click a photo of your UI like this, and it converts it into a final design with all the elements required like this. The best part is you can always import from softwares like Sketch. It also picks up things like colors, fonts, etc. from images. So yes, if you have some images that you've saved up and you want your design to look like those images, well, this can do that. If you want to read about it in depth, there's a research page, how they've created that AI. If you're curious about that, you can always check this out. They also have an initiative called Pix to Code, which allows them to convert designs into code immediately using AI. They've also brought a Figma-like feature, which is collaboration in a very neat and nice manner. So you can use this as a proper design tool and for prototyping, not just for the AI features. Best part is it's free for small teams and individuals, so go check this out and try it out today. It's amazing. There's a new tool in the market called everypixel.com. It allows you to search for any kind of image on the internet, and its AI helps you to find images, be it free or paid, based on any details that you enter. So for example, I can always search for something like pink basketball to kind of reference dribble. And for the price, I'll say free only. And I'll quickly go ahead and search for it. As you can see, it searched for this weird image which has a pink basketball court. So not quite 100% precise, but the best part is it's free. So you can use this to search for anything. It also has a page called Every Pixel Patterns, which allows you to find different kinds of patterns and add it to anything that you want. Basically, generate a unique pattern in one click. So you just say, I want stripes, okay? And you can always generate new ones. So the AI is working to create randomized patterns for you. So if you want to use this tool, it's there for free as well. Imagine telling a software what you are designing and it designs it for you. Well, Headlime does just that. The process is simple. You explain what your product is, what you are building, what is the subject, what you are selling. Choose from a variety of styles of designs, and it basically builds based on the chosen styles and the kind of product that you're selling, and it makes a consolidated web page. Based on that, you can always download an HTML file. So you can basically create websites and download those websites to use in your final designs. And now I get hundreds of comments saying, we don't know how to select or create colors. Well, this tool is going to solve everything for you. Colortopia is an AI-based tool which allows you to create some really cool color schemes and colors in general. They already have a lot of different colors laid out, which you can pick from. These are the most desirable colors there are. Apart from that, I suggest go and select Generate. This will allow you to generate a custom color scheme which you require. As soon as you refresh one color and you refresh the second one, it basically fits the colors according to each other. So none of these colors are ever going to go out of proportion. No matter how many times you refresh, you'll find colors which match this entire color scheme well. There'll be complementary, contrasting, and a lot of different concept of colors that you'll see here. Best part is none of these colors ever repeat. Unless you keep on pressing refresh for thousands of times and you'll find the same color again. Now, a lot of you struggle to write on places like LinkedIn or Dribbble or Behance. You don't know how to explain your own designs. Write Sonic fixes that for you. It's an AI-based tool. It's an AI-based tool which basically allows you to create content for whatever platform you want, a website, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever you like. You can change that from here, of course. You can write digital ads, website copy, articles, special content, e-commerce copy, and so much more with just one single free tool. I might start using this for my YouTube descriptions, I'm not gonna lie. Another great copywriting tool for your designs is Copywriting Simplified Copy.ai. You can write unique kinds of content just by inputting a simple sentence, and it creates 100 different variants for that sentence. Now I wanted to mention something very special. This is AI creating art. Yes, you heard that right. An entire library of arts and craft, of designs, of videos, and much more created by AI. An AI that can convert text to images and create some beautiful paintings out of it. Nikita Pekin. If I click on this, and if you want to try out something like that, we just say text to image AI. As you can see, DAL-E is another incredible tool which allows you to do that. You just add text and it creates for you. An avocado chair? Well, yes sir. I want to end the video by saying AI is beautiful, especially when it's used for creative aspects like this. Make sure you leave in the comments any AI experiments or AI tools that you like, and also make sure you tell me and the community what you feel about the future of AI. Do you think it's going to take over the world? Do you think it's useful? Do you think it doesn't matter? Just put that in the comments below. I'll see you every Monday and Thursday with creative and crazy content like this. Until next time, take care. God bless.